The word of the day is make. You can make a building with blocks. You can make a mess with slime. You can make a cake. Or you can make a campfire and make s'mores. So, the word today is make. You'll know when I say the word make because you'll see the picture right up here and you'll hear this noise. I can use the word make in a lot of different ways. For example, I can make some bubbles. Or I can make music. I can also use the word make to make a phone call. Hello? Yes. Or I can make a tower with my blocks. And when they fall over, I can make a mess. Listen for the word make. Let's go. Oh, hey, it's me, Mr. Clay. Say, do you want to help me make something fun today? Awesome. I'm gonna make some s'mores. Do you want to help? I could use it. Okay, here's the first thing that I have to do. First, I have to make a fire. I'm gonna do that with this log and this saw. I'm gonna cut the log. I'm gonna cut it again. And now I can make my fire. Ta-da! What do you think? Now, let's make our s'mores. First, I'm gonna open this bag of marshmallows. I love marshmallows. Do you like marshmallows? They're so fluffy, and I like to cook them over my fire and make s'mores. I'm also gonna need some graham crackers and some chocolate to make my s'mores. I'll get it ready. Here's my graham cracker. And here is my chocolate. Okay, let's make this treat. I'm gonna cook it for just a second. Help me by counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm gonna take off my marshmallow. And look, I made a toasted marshmallow. Now, I'm gonna put it on my graham cracker. I'm gonna put on my chocolate and another graham cracker. Look, we made this together. We made a s'more. I love making s'mores. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, wow, that's delicious. I think I'm gonna make one more, but you can go. Thank you so much for coming and helping me out. I'll see you next time. Bye. Make. Make.
everyone. Are you ready for a s'more run? I know I am. Now, before we start, make sure you ask your parents if you can subscribe so you'll know when we upload more fun games and videos. Also, make sure you have enough space to move around so you aren't bumping into anyone or anything. Hi, it's me, Herbert. I don't know about you, but I am starving. I haven't eaten since about 10 minutes ago. Okay, you know what? We should make s'mores, but we need to get the ingredients. We need graham crackers, yep. We need marshmallows. We're probably gonna need a lot of those because I tend to eat them before I actually make the s'more. We need chocolate bars. Yeah, lots of chocolate bars. Okay, let's start walking in place to get all the ingredients. Get ready and follow my directions. You can move left, right, up, or down to get the ingredients as you see them on the screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, be on the lookout for ingredients. Oh, here comes a marshmallow on the left. Jump or reach your hand out to get it. Oh, great work! Oh, there's a graham cracker on the right. Did you get it? Okay, good. Okay, let's try for some more. Get it? Some more? Oh, there's a chocolate bar. Get that one, it's right in the middle. Oh, this is so much fun. I wonder if we can get some more. Oh, look, there's a marshmallow. Oh, quick, grab that graham cracker. Oh, yummy. Oh, and here comes a chocolate bar. I cannot wait to try all these treats. Let's do this again. Marshmallow. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, look, a graham cracker. It's so crunchy. Oh, and chocolate bars. Oh, so chocolatey. I really like s'mores in case you didn't already know. Okay, did you get them all? Good. Well, we've got almost everything we need, but I still think we need a few more ingredients. So let's do it again. But this time, let's go faster. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, yep. Oh, hold on. This is getting a little fast. Okay, that's too fast. That's too fast. Slow down. Oh, okay. Wait, no. Hold on, that's too slow. Wait, no, that's really slow, guys. Too slow. Yeah, no, that's way too slow. I want a little bit faster than the original speed we were going, but not too fast. And obviously not too slow. Excellent, that's perfect. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'll get that marshmallow. Oh, now the graham crackers. I'll get that chocolate bar. Oh, more marshmallows, yum. Graham crackers, oh yeah. Oh, don't forget that chocolate bar. Oh, great, get that marshmallow. Oh, look, there's another graham cracker. Oh, look, chocolate bar. Yeah. Oh, this is so much faster and so much more fun. Way to go, everyone. Okay, I think we've almost got them all. But let's get a few more ingredients and let's speed it up one more time. Oh, we're moving now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Marshmallow! Graham cracker! Chocolate bar! Marshmallow! Chocolate bar! Marshmallow! Graham cracker! Chocolate bar! Oh, wow! Okay, let's bring it back down. I'm out of breath. Okay. All right. It looks like we've got everything we need. We've got graham crackers. Yep, and we've got the marshmallows. Yep, and we've definitely got chocolate bars. All right, let's go make some s'mores. Yum! I can't wait to eat them. Oh yeah, and don't forget to ask your parents if you can subscribe to the channel.